Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to display listings in your area using AeroIDX. We'll create a saved search with filters and a location, then embed it on your website in just a few steps. In AeroIDX, this is called a market area. From the Markets page, click Create Market. You can choose Basic Search or Polygon Search. I'll start with Basic. First, give your market a clear search name. Then set your filters. You have a variety of filters to add, like property types, bedrooms, and bathrooms. There is also a toggle to show stats for the area in your market. In basic mode, type at least one location in search location. If you switch to Polygon, draw an area directly on the map to define your market. You can also expand advanced filters to narrow your results even more with things like listing status and highlights, plus community and lifestyle features. Click Save Search. Now your new market appears in the Markets list. On the Markets table, click Get Embed Code for the market you want. Then paste that code into the page where you want it to appear, and that is it. Your website will now show that market. Need changes later? Click on the Edit Market button. Update your filters and click Update Search. If you want to show your markets on your home page, use the Market Areas widget. Go to the Widgets page, click on the New Widget button and select Market Areas. Select which saved markets to include. Upload a custom image per market. Choose Layout Theme, then click Save. Then just click on Get Embed Code and paste it in your website. This creates a polished, clickable market section for your site, and each card opens the related market automatically. That's it. You can now create, manage, and publish listing searches by area in AeroIDX and embed them anywhere on your website. If this helped, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.